So gird up your loins and eat up your lambs. We're leaving the city, we're leaving no man.
Boker Tov, wise beings. So today I'm going to make some quick pops.
Yeah.
So there, it's basically already made. I have my NutriBullet, a big old 32-ounce cup. I put the sour stuff in here. I put a couple of strawberries, some maple syrup for the sweetness, and water. Blended it up. Came like this, and you just pour it in here just like this. Not too much, it'll just go over the
popsicles.
Say shalom, Azrael.
Shalom.
So I'm just taking a spoon so I can take some of it out. And then you just take these and place them in.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yay! Yay, yay, yay.
Then you just freeze them. So I just placed them in the freezer. So here's another one that I have. I like to place them right in between here so they can stay upright, because I don't know whether they'll spill out or not, but they do have a very tight little top to them. I bought 2 of these from eBay too. You can see them here. I'll just freeze them up. I have this veggie supplement here. I'll put a link below. I'll put in the pops just a bunch of veggies, and they don't even notice. Now all of these ingredients you can use at your discretion. A little or a lot, it's all up to you. Sugary, no sugary, up to you. So we are outside right now, and here's the pops. I took them out the freezer. You just push from the bottom, and you'll make it come up. Boop. And that's it.
What about me? What about me, Mommy? I want some.
Okay, hold on. Okay, Azrael, you ready?
Yes.
You just push it. Hold it. There you go. There's Azrael's.
But Sayla is. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute, baby. Hi, baby.
And this one's for me. Look at that.
What about me? No.
There you go.
No.
So that's how I make my fruit pops. Shalom. My Ninja my NutriBullet, sorry. This is another one. I like this one. Oh my goodness. So that's how I make my veggie pops or fruit pops. Shalom, y'all. Check out my blog at www.hebrewma.com, as well as like, subscribe, and share if you desire to. Thank you, wise beings, for looking at this video. Shalom, shalom.